Dealing with the constant headache of your AMD Adrenalin RX freezing and showing a black screen can be incredibly frustrating. I personally faced these exact issues and spent countless hours testing various solutions until I found multiple reliable ways to bring stability back to my system. I am now going to share these crucial methods with you, ensuring you can finally achieve a stable computing experience. This video provides the ultimate AMD Adrenalin RX Freeze Black Screen Fix 2026, offering clear strategies to overcome these persistent problems. First, we tackle driver management because old or broken drivers stop your graphics card from talking to your computer properly. Think of drivers as the instruction manual. If it is wrong, things go haywire, causing freezes. Next, we look at the Adrenalin software settings. This program has many options that can sometimes fight with your games or computer setup. Changing these settings helps stop those fights and makes your system run smoother. Then we focus on power and how stable your computer is. If your graphics card doesn't get enough steady power, it can simply stop working, leading to black screens. Also, if your computer's basic instructions are old, it creates problems. Lastly, we check the actual parts inside your computer. Sometimes the graphics card might not be sitting right or a cable is loose. Making sure everything is snugly connected fixes many hidden issues.